right off the bat, this is the addition rules, okay? It says here, if you have same sign, you add and keep the sign. So what does that mean? So if you have 2 plus 5, for example, alright? It says here, same sign plus and plus, so just add them together. 2 plus 5 is 7. Since the sign is positive, so it's positive 7. Okay, what about if you have minus 2 plus with negative 5? Right? Again, we have the same sign, negative and negative. Alright? All you have to do is just add them up together. Okay, so you add 2 plus 5 is 7. And keep the sign. Since the sign is negative, you put here negative. That's what the rule is saying. Okay. So what happens if you have different sign? Let's say minus 2 plus with 5. Okay. You have different sign here. You have negative and you have positive. Okay. If you have different sign, subtract. Okay, just subtract them. What is 5 minus 2 is 3, okay? And then keep the sign of bigger number. 2 and 5 is bigger than 2. Since the sign of 5 is positive, so it's positive 3, okay? What happens if 2 plus negative 5? Okay? Again, different sign, we have positive and negative. Subtract them. 5 minus 2 is 3. And keep the sign of bigger number. 5 is bigger. So, and the sign of the number 5 is negative, so it's negative 3. So that's how you use the rule. Okay? Let's do some more examples. Minus 3 plus negative 6. Same sign, you add them together. 3 plus 6 is 9. Okay? And then keep the sign. The sign is negative, so it's negative 9. Alright? How about negative 4 plus negative 3? Again, you have the same sign, negative and negative. Just add them up together. 4 plus 3 is 7. And then keep the sign. The sign here is negative, so it's negative. Okay? So how about negative 3 plus 6? Again, you have to check. Is it the same sign or different signs? Obviously, it's different sign. Okay, negative and positive. So if you have different sign, you subtract them. 6 minus 3 is 3. Okay? And then keep the sign of bigger number. 6 is bigger than 3. And the sign of the number 6 is positive, so it's positive 3. Okay? How about negative 13 plus 7? Okay? Again, different sign, just subtract them together. Okay? 13 minus 7. 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay? And 13 is bigger than 7. Okay? And you keep the sign of the bigger number. 13 is the bigger than 7. And the sign of number 13 is negative, so the answer is negative 6. Okay? And what else? How about, let's do some more example. How about we have 4 plus negative 12? Okay. Again, you have to check. Is it the same sign or different sign? Obviously, it's different sign. This is positive, this is negative. Okay, different sign. And then you just subtract them. 12 minus 4 is 8. Okay. And then check, then follow the sign of the bigger number. 12 is bigger than 4. And And the sign of the number 12 is negative, so it's negative 8. Okay. So how about minus 8 plus 2? Again, you check whether it's the same sign or different sign. Negative and positive, so obviously it's different sign. If it's different sign, you subtract them. 8 minus 2 is 6. Okay, and then keep the sign of bigger number. 8 is bigger than 2. And the sign of the number 8 is negative, so it's negative 6. Okay? So how about, how about minus 4 plus minus 3? Negative 3. Negative 4 plus negative 3. Again, check the sign. Is it same or different? Negative and negative, so it's the same sign. Add them together and click the sign. 4 plus 3 is 7. And the sign is negative, so it's negative 7. Alright? So how about let's do some bigger number. Let's do negative 90 plus 80. Okay? And then again, when you see this question, check for the sign first. Okay? It's different sign. Okay, negative and positive. Subtract them. So what is 90 minus 18? 90 minus 18. 8, 2, 72. So it's 72. Okay? And then keep the sign of the bigger number. 90 is bigger than 18, and the sign for the number 90 is negative. So it's negative 72. Okay? So let's do one more. How about negative 100 plus negative 51? Okay? Again, you have to check if it's the same sign or different sign. You have negative here, negative, so it's the same sign. So you just add them together. 100 plus 31 is 131. And then keep the sign. Okay? The sign for these two numbers is negative. So just put negative. Okay, that's it.